Hello, class. My name is Malcolm Taylor, and this is the assignment that we are to do for DOC 600. This is my mini proposal, and my mini proposal, the title is Social Entrepreneurship, an approach to solving community-based problems. Some people might look at this and say, well, what is a social entrepreneur? And the definition is simple. It's a person who pursues an innovative idea, and it has the potential to solve a problem in the community, and it's beneficial for those in the community. And the rationale behind it is social entrepreneurship is somewhat new. It's been around for the last 2 decades, but there's great evidence that social entrepreneurship really works since the time that it's been around over these last 2 centuries. The altruism coupled behind business intelligence has made a new way for opportunities that can show entrepreneurial skills, and it can also help people who want to work and improve the environment of our society. It's been extraordinary people to take on these feats and even demonstrate what social entrepreneurship really looks like. And with my research, I have produced 2 research questions, and that is, one of the questions is social entrepreneurship one of the best approaches at solving community-based problems? The second question, second proposed question is, who are the people / organizations that are the best catalysts for social entrepreneurism in any given community? So these are broad questions that have a lot of ability to create thought, debate, and research. My literature review, the topics that I would cover in my literature review, I would focus on the SES, and that is the social economic status of the group that I am focusing on. The next one would be demographics, and that's basically urban or rural, the living conditions or the setting in which that group lives. And then literacy, and that's basically to say, does the social entrepreneur catalyst understand what environment it's going into? And then on the flip side of that, does the environment that is receiving the social entrepreneur, do they understand what's being given to them, or what they will receive as a benefit of a social entrepreneur coming into their community to make it better? My literature review that's continued, business theories. Business theories, it just explains these are philosophies and laws that are used to define markets, competition, innovation, and organizational culture. The 2 theories that I would focus on is motivational theory and resource allocation theory. These 2 theories I think would go very good with the idea of social entrepreneurship and what that would look like in a community. My methodology, this would be a qualitative study that would define the parameters around the research questions. My participants would be organizations like banks, nonprofits, or even for-profits, and tap into individuals from diverse economic backgrounds as well. And what would be my procedures for data collection? Manipulating pre-existing statistical data using computational techniques. Basically, there's a plethora of information already out there showing what a community looks like, what the community-based needs are, and the mechanism of social entrepreneurship will just have to look at those numbers and basically determine how they would make that community better. The significance of this study and how it would benefit: this research would help guide areas of need through social entrepreneurship, their services, social and business communities, the impact that it would give, and it would also guide the synergy for economic empowerment in any given society, which I think is very, very significant in this study. These are my references. Class, thank you for being with me on this. I am excited about this journey, and thanks.